we're in a 12-degree plunge pool, and we've been in here for a couple minutes. My first reaction is sharp discomfort in the feet and the hands, but after some time it starts to get more comfortable, and the pins and needles sensation starts to feel like the body's like heating up, which is cool. It's a good response. And I definitely feel very awake. I think I'm ready to go into the sauna.
Right now we're in Sumberkima in the northwest part of Bali. When I started, I always had the feeling this has to do with health. Create a space where people increase their health span and live longer, happier. So that's also the reason why we did the sauna ice bath, because saunas have like an extreme impact on your health. And we hope we can expand that more and have all kind of extra facilities, biohacking type things to help people live longer.
I like being in the sauna for recovery. I feel like it speeds up the healing process of not having muscle ache, not having muscle fatigue.
What I do like about the sauna is the smell of the wood once it starts to heat up, and the plunge pools, like the cold pools, being close by and in this view.
%90 of our staff is just people from Sumberkima. That's also, let's say, the relationship we have with the villa. It's more like a good collaboration. And the people are like really happy to have a fixed job here. And we hope a pleasant place to work.
Being raised here, I've also lived in Amsterdam for 8 years, but I moved back here 2 years ago because I still felt like it's the closest place that feels like home, closest that I can call home. Even though I'm not native to here, I wasn't born here, I usually just say that I was raised here. So there's this kind of like contradiction sometimes of feeling at home and feeling like a sense of belonging, but at the same time there are some boundaries and distances that will never be fulfilled. But I've always felt very welcome by Balinese people.
The Balinese people in Bali, with our community, we interactive with the sea is very harmony, because we believe in the sea there is our big spirit God living there, giving big positive blessing to the Hindu people in Bali, especially in Sumberkima, in our village. And almost 90% in Sumberkima Bay, we have a damaged area in our reef here, and then we try to change with a beautiful color again underwater by planting coral.
In 2017, when we looked around the bay here and started snorkeling, we thought, hey, wow, this is a large reef. It needs some help, but there's still a lot of potential there.
We're starting for our conservation in 2019, we take action by coral planting. From that time, before no fish, we need to take care of the coral first. And now we have 1 million fish. The fishes take over our job. The fishes clean the parasite, clean their house there.
And then we developed the idea of make structures on locations where the coral really likes to be. So this way we have some amazing objects for coral to grow, but also some very, very interesting things for people to go underwater and see and enjoy.
Working with the fishermen, we try to give them clear education about how important is the coral we need to protect, because they're apart from our future life.
In the Sumberkima, the culture is still very much alive. There's something in the atmosphere that is special, it's almost spiritual. You have some beautiful temples here, we have wonderful mountains, and in general sort of a peaceful, healthy environment.
So far the experience has been like amazing. It's been pleasant to do it together because I feel like I think less and I can respond to like whatever you feel. And it's definitely cool to share all of these beautiful moments with someone.